In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off participant screen sharing on Zoom. If you want more control over your Zoom meetings, especially when you're hosting, this setting is really useful. Turning off participant screen sharing helps prevent interruptions and makes it easier to manage presentations, classes, or team meetings. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and how to update it. To get started, open Zoom in your browser and go to your account area. Once you're on the main Zoom page, click on My Account. This will take you to the section where you can manage your personal Zoom settings and meeting preferences. After that, look for the Settings option and click on it. This is where Zoom keeps most of the controls related to your meetings, recordings, security, and participant permissions. If you've never adjusted settings here before, don't worry. Everything is grouped into categories, so it's fairly easy to follow once you know where to look. Next, click on Meeting. This section contains all the options related to how your meetings behave before and during a session. Since screen sharing is a meeting feature, this is the correct place to make the change. Once you're in the meeting settings, go to the In-Meeting Basics section. This area includes several core meeting controls, including options that affect what participants are allowed to do during a call. You may need to scroll a little to find it, depending on your screen size and Zoom's current layout. When you find the screen sharing option, click on Host. Choosing Host means only the host can share their screen, and participants will no longer be able to start sharing on their own. This is a great option if you want to avoid accidental screen sharing or keep the meeting focused on one presenter at a time. Finally, click Save to apply the change. That's what locks in your updated setting. Once saved, your Zoom meetings will use this preference going forward, helping you keep better control over who can present content on screen. If you ever want to allow participants to share again, you can return to the same settings area and switch it back. And that's it. You've successfully turned off participant screen sharing on Zoom.